Hello friends, today I'll show you how to make a delicious almond cookies from almond milk leftover. Very easy to make and gluten-free. Here I have 1 cup almond leftover from almond milk. To that I added 1/4 cup oat flour and 1/4 cup coconut flour. 1/3 teaspoon baking soda, mix that up and then add 1 tablespoon honey. You could use sugar, maple syrup or date syrup, and 2 tablespoons room temperature melted butter, and finally 2 small eggs. Mix everything with a fork first. Now after everything is incorporated, use your hands for about 15 seconds. I'm using this biscuit machine. And also I use this shape, and also you could use the heart. I found these 3 shapes works best. Bake at 350 for about 10 minutes until you see them golden. Now testing time. They are delicious, sweet, chewy. I wish you'll try them, and don't forget to share, like, and write a comment.